Hello strangers, hope you're well. So sorry it's been a while, but I think I've finally sorted my life out and I'm back into the swing of mumming and working and recording and taking kids to school, etc. So this is a set I recorded yesterday and I'm hoping to record at least one set a day for you guys, short, long, medium, whatever I do now. So yeah, hopefully there'll be no more gaps and I can keep all up to date with you lovely lot. So I've just removed on this set my client's previous design, and I've etched, pushed the cuticles back, etched the new nail growth, just giving them a quick little shape up, prepped and primed, and I'm just coming in with my clear layer. Excuse my manky nails, but I just had them done today by the one and only Liz Guild, so yes, my nails are amazing. So, using this new, one of the new autumn collection glitters from Licente in this set, and it's absolutely stunning, so I'm going to be using it in a second. But here I've come in with Birthday Suit and I've placed the bead on, tucked it in at the cuticle, and I've tilted that finger down so that gravity naturally pulls it away from that cuticle area so it doesn't flood. And then I'm just letting it do its thing as it's falling down the nail, and I'm just swiping it into place with the side of my brush, just sweeping motions. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to come in with another bead, just to make sure I've got enough there at that apex area, and then I actually swipe most of that away and leave the majority of that bead in that apex area. So just swiping around to clean that up again. It doesn't have to be perfect, don't panic at this point, because you can always come in and refine with your file once it's set anyway. So here I'm using this glitter from Licente, and as I said, it's one of their new chunky glitters for autumn. Because it's a chunky glitter, I came in with this colour, which is Chili Pepper first, so that we can get a nice clean edge around that cuticle, because sometimes it's difficult to do that with slightly chunkier glitters anyway. So yeah, I've just dipped into my crystal glass, fairly wet bead, and then dipped straight into the glitter and then popping straight on the nail. And then just sort of nudge it around until you've got the coverage you want. I just love it. It just looks like a little bonfire on the nail. It's so stunning. And the name Phoenix is just perfect. I'll be honest, it's literally just like tiny little diamond shapes in gold, orange and red, and some yellow ones. Beautiful. So on this nail, I'm kind of doing a marble kind of nail. So again, I'm just coming at that cuticle edge to get it clean looking with Chili Pepper, and then I've dipped into maroon, metallic gold and Chili Pepper at the same time. That bead was probably a bit big, so I'll just come in with a tiny bit more maroon there just to darken it a little bit. And then maroon and Chili Pepper, and I'm just sort of popping them on, running my brush through it till I'm happy, just cleaning up the sides. And then I'm going to come in with some of that glitter again. I will leave the links and everything to that, to all the stuff that I've used. And then just a full nail of maroon on this finger, because I'm going to do some sugaring on this nail afterwards. on the thumb, I'm just going to do a full nail of maroon and then come in with some of that glitter, just swooping it from corner to corner. And then I'll cap that when I've done. I'll cap all the nails and then I'll come in to sharpen that smile line off. So I'm capping in crystal glass as always. I'm just going to add a bit more to that right there on the free edge. Because this is an overlay and that nail is hooking over slightly, I've built it up a bit more right on the free edge so that I can come underneath with my e-file to straighten it out afterwards. I'm so sorry if I'm babbling, it's because I haven't done a voiceover for so long. I'm trying to make sure I haven't missed anything, so sorry. So, has anyone else been hinched by the lovely Mrs. Hinch on Instagram? I'm absolutely obsessed and I love her. Who's loving her and who's had enough of seeing it? I love her, I think she's an absolute sweetheart. And my house is clean and tidy and I feel at peace with the world right now. She's given me a kick at the backside to get organised and I am pretty organised right now, touch wood. So I'm happy for now. So I'm just coming in with a new 180 grit file. I buy my files from CJP. I love them, super great value for money they are. They're brilliant. And then I'm going to do this free edge in maroon. Oh, what happened? Some of my videos gone missing. Hang on guys, it's coming back in a second. It's coming, I can see the next frame. Right, so sorry about that. My video effed up and so I've just had to come off and sort it and come back to you again now. So yeah, just coming in filing now. And my usual filing routine. I do the same every client, every nail. So I come and do those, straighten those sidewalls off first, come underneath that lower arch, make sure it's coming straight out from that natural nail. You don't want it coming upwards or downwards, you want it coming straight out. And then cuticle area over the body of the nail. And then I do actually come back to that nail and go back around that cuticle area again because it wasn't quite as flush as I wanted it. So yeah, this now, as I said earlier, I had to build up a bit extra on that free edge because it's hooking over a bit. So I'll just come in with my e-file just to come underneath it a bit to take a bit of that bulk out and to take that hooked bit away as well. Sorry if you can hear my children screaming. It's bedtime and guess what? They don't want to go bed. I think this is like the first time I've gone out of shot in the whole video, like yay go me. I am winning at life today. Just today though, mind. Don't, you know, let's not get ahead of ourselves. So So I'm just coming in to top coat these bad boys with my CJP Tack Free Top Gloss. It's literally my favourite top coat ever. It's just so nice. That glitter is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So nice. And see now how I'm washing this back? I can see that hair that I just picked up on my brush. And it's really bothering me that I didn't notice at the time. Oh my god. But hey, it's just a hair. It's not the end of the world, is it, mate? So once I'm finished this, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to come in here with my CJP foil gel, and I'm just going to paint some pretty little swirly patterns on the nails. I'm not too great at this, but yeah. And then before I cure it, I'm going to sugar it. Well, I'm not going to sugar it, I'm going to glitter it with some superfine glitter from the Glitter Fairy. And the one I'm using is the VIP September mix, because she does like VIP mixes every month. There's like 3 different packages you can pick for, and you get surprise glitters every month, so that's cool. So yeah, I think I'll just leave you here to watch. So yeah, once I've finished painting my design on, I will sprinkle the glitter on, and then I will double cure to make sure that that light penetrates through the glitter, and then I will cuticle oil and leave a shot at the end for you. So it's been super nice talking to you all again, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up please, and I will see you all super soon. Bye.